Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Mystic Mondays, the Cosmic Creatures deck. This is by Grace Duong, and if this sounds familiar, she is the creator of the Mystic Mondays Tarot. Ooh. All right, so I am excited. We've also done the crystal version of her deck as well. All of these I will link in the eye up there so you can take a look if you haven't done so already. So this is published by RP Studios, retailing for $28 in the US and $35 in Canada. Let's take a look at the back. Yay, more hollow. All right, so it says, "Take a walk on the wild side." Created by Grace Duong of Mystic Mondays, the Cosmic Creatures deck uses vibrant celestial illustrations to unlock your intuition as you tap into your own inner wildness. From panthers to dolphins, the most captivating and magical animals under the stars are rendered in stunning colors and vivid details on these durable divination cards. An enclosed guidebook features animal profiles, sample spreads, and enchanted rituals to enhance your practice as you perform unique readings all your own. So this includes 66 full-color oracle cards, sealed inside a travel box, a 144-page flexi-bound guidebook, and magnetic closure keepsake box. So that's what this is. So yay. Oh, cute. Oh, okay. So here's the book. We don't have a ribbon, but that's okay. And here's the cards in their own little tuck box here, it looks like. Oh my goodness, moon phase paw. Aw. Okay, set you aside. Let's take a look at this guidebook real fast, see if there's any pertinent information. Okay, the black paper reminds me of, remember the Jelly Rolls pens? And this is like late 90s, early 2000s, and like you would create art with these Jelly Roll pens on the black paper. Yeah, anyway. Yay, look, everything has its own page number, table of contents. We love to see it. Trust your instincts. Yay, that paw print is adorable. Every living being matters and has significance. Animals have long walked the earth beside us, evolving and adapting to the changing world and their special talents. They remind us of our own power, unique traits, and the ways in which we can expand beyond what we thought we were capable of. When you encounter a cosmic creature, you are invited to explore the edges of the universe, with no bounds to the frontier of the self. Let yourself be guided, aided, and affirmed when a cosmic creature crosses your path to pass on its timeless wisdom. The rules of survival have changed as we rewrite what gives meaning to life and become untamed. All right, so we have some rituals here. No limitations on how you can work with the cosmic creatures. Listen to your intuition. All right, pay attention to what the animal makes you feel when it crosses your path. Shadow and light come out to play. Trust your instincts. We have a 1-card spread. Cosmic creature questions, 3-card spread, interesting. Love the color. Oh my gosh, it's very vibrant. This kind of reminds me of Lisa Frank as well. And then it goes into each of the cards. All right, cool. So let's get into it. Here is a tuck box. All right, excuse me while I take off the cellophane. All right. No one wanted to see me struggle with that. So here is the back. Cute little paw print. I just adore that. That's so cute. It looks like it's going to be a matte as well. It's a little bit skinnier than a oracle deck, but a little bit wide. Maybe the same amount. It's about the size of a tarot card. Your average tarot card. How about that? The art style is so fun. And it is a nice cardstock. It's not too thick, not too thin, but it is more on the thicker side. Oh, the bat. I love it. The colors are so fun. They're not numbered, they just have what the animal's name is, so we'll see how that works out in the guidebook. Oh, cute. Very pretty. Oh. All right, this is really pulling on my heart here. Love that chameleon. Ooh. Oh. I'm so happy. Now if they have a llama. Oh, wow, a dragon. This is such a fun art style. It's not too juvenile looking, it's not too realistic, it's just very fun, punchy, vibrant, but it's not harsh on the eyes. I like it a lot. Oh, Firefly reminds me of what's his name from Tiana, the Princess and the Frog. Oh gosh, I always forget his name. I just love him so much. Him and Evangeline. Oh wow, we have a fly. Oh. I like too that there's not so much going on in the background that you can really kind of focus on the creature. Oh, I love the hummingbird. Very Lisa Frank. Very, very much so with this jaguar. And if you don't know who Lisa Frank is, look her up. There's some amazing artwork. Oh, I think I had it just about almost every Lisa Frank folder that was available in the 90s. Stickers, that was another thing. Oh, yay, Hank. Ooh, that's a cool looking owl. An oyster. Ooh. Oh. So this is really cool. There's a couple in here that you don't normally see all the time, which is awesome. And then you have your staples, you know, the ones that you do see all the time. Yay, we do have a peacock. I'm interested to see the meanings behind the cards or what they're associated with. Because, you know, an animal can be a couple things. Oh, we do. Okay, a phoenix. I kind of like the addition of the fantastical creatures. love a little praying mantis. That looks cool. Oh, yay. That's a cool little background too. Artistically speaking, I really like this deck. Ooh. The Scorpion King, anyone? Yay, a seahorse. A he-horse? Oh my gosh. A non-threatening shark. We love to see it. Take my money. Just, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Very dynamic looking spider. If you look close, you can see the web in the background. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. Oh. Cute. I love it. Oh, yay. Okay, we are getting a unicorn. No llama, though. Docking points. Look at that distinguished whale. Oh. And a zebra. Okay, let's see how they shuffle. And again, you're getting what, 64 or 66 deck of cards? 66 cards. So, I mean, that's a lot of cards. I'm impressed. Yeah, they shuffle just fine. They're on, like I said, they're on like the thicker side than thin, but they're not super thick cards. So there is that flexibility. It's not terribly hard to bend them to shuffle. They're not super stiff in that way. Yeah, I don't have an issue with these. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, we're going to do the elephant. What a vibrant card. Okay, so let's just do a little reminder. So cool. All right, to the table of contents we go. And elephant is 47. Well, it was close. All right. I love the full color. I love that it's the black pages. This is giving me nostalgia so hard right now. Okay, so heritage, family, and loyalty. A gentle giant, the elephant has a commanding presence and projects authority. The elephant asks you to step up your leadership skills to build your community into the harmonious herd you envision. Family is a paramount importance to the elephant, and its presence asks you to think about the relationship you have with yours, whether related by blood or chosen. When the elephant is present, you are viewed as a steady force, offering kindness and leading with a compassionate heart. Pay respect to your ancestors and cast a vision for your descendants. Notice if anyone around you feels like they've been with you for lifetimes. This person is a part of your soul family, remaining with you through many incarnations. How committed are you to the communities you belong to? The elephant guides you to cast aside self-interest for the time being and connect more deeply with the people you call family. Your heritage gives you clues every single day. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I wasn't sure how I was going to like not having like a keyword on here. or a number or anything like that, because some of you really do like the addition of those things. But honestly, it kind of vibes a little bit like the wild unknown animal spirit, in which there's more information in the guidebook than there is on the card, that it really allows your intuition to kind of take those intuitive hits. So, you know, if you just got the elephant and had no idea what was in the book, I'm pretty sure that, you know, you would pick up on a couple of those things just by knowing, you know, what an elephant is and how they are in the wild, right? So I think that's really cool. I like the explanation in the guidebook. I think there's just enough in there for you to, you know, if you didn't know anything about elephants, you would kind of get enough information there to help you with your intuition and your reading. And I love the addition of the keywords up there. I think that there are a lot of really cool animals in here that are not necessarily in every animal deck. Let's look at the unicorn here. Unique, purity, and magic. That's really cool. You know, some people might not like the addition of the more fantastical creatures, but I think every deck kind of is fantastical in a way. So like the addition of that doesn't really bother me. But yeah, you don't normally see like the armadillo. I like the addition of the spreads. I love the art style. It's really giving me nostalgia, and in the best way possible. It's probably not meant to. I know that this is Mystic Monday's style, but let me just do one more thing while we're looking at it. I want to see what the tarot deck looks like next to it. So I am really missing the holographic sides of the cards with this oracle deck, but it's not a deal breaker. So there is the deck, and the oracle is a little bit bigger, just by a little bit. So similar, you know, styles. And then, oh yes, I really like how they look together. That looks so nice. Although one is a gloss and one is a matte. That doesn't bother me though. But that's so pretty. Okay, now I throw this to you. I think that this price is a pretty decent price, by the way. What was it? 25, 28. So you're getting 66 cards. You're getting a really nice packaging, and you're getting a decent guidebook, which is color and bound. It's not, you know, it's a book. It is a book. So I really think that this is a decent price tag for it. I think that the art is just amazing and fun and quirky and cute. It's a very gentle deck. I love the explanations in the guidebook. So my question is to you, what do you guys think? Is this something that has been on your list? Is this something that you are excited about? Or do you just not feel connected to it? Is this a hard pass? Or do you feel like it is very much like every other animal oracle deck that's out there? What are your thoughts and opinions? I love to hear them down in the comment section below. It's always awesome to hear from you guys. So that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Oh, and in the description box, as always, don't forget to check out the link tree of mine that has all of my social medias on it, as well as my Etsy shop where you can get private readings from me. And as always, with every single video that I do on these card decks, the links for them will be in the description box as well, so you can purchase them legitimately. All right, everyone, with that being said, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.